And while Wally is having no trouble with Serena's broadly cooked dinner, he's still struggling to communicate with Matt.
Do you know what a burlesque show is? What do you think about it? Okay. Do you know what it is? Do you know your mother did that? I don't know how to break
You coming? Come on.
Maybe I don't spend enough time with him doing things that he would like to do.
And at last, he has a change of heart over making space for Matt in his barn.
Oriana, come on. You coming this way? Daddy? You coming this way?
Come out to the barn.
You coming to see Daddy? Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
It's the final day of the swap, and Angela enforces her
Yay!
McDonald family.
Yay! Oriana. 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 Yay. Can you do it? Oriana.
I'm so happy, and that touched me, you know.
Wave bye-bye. Can you wave? Bye.
It's a really good feeling to have a family.
No. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye.